Hi my stylers, today I'm again here with a new video. Today I'm going to give you a review of a toner named Biotech Cucumber Toner. So this toner is really amazing. I've been using it from 1 week or 2 weeks. So its name is Biotech Advanced Ayurveda. It is Bio Cucumber Toner with cucumber in it. It is pore tightening toner with Himalayan water, and it is for normal to oily skin. It is 100% Ayurvedic recipe. So if we come about packaging, it comes like this in a nice packet, and the ingredients in it are also written here. Yeah. It says that it contains dharu haldi root 0.1%, dhania fruit 2%, manjufal 2%, peppermint oil 0.85%, and kheera jal as a solution. So it is based on 5000 years old Ayurvedic recipe, and it's a natural Ayurvedic toner. This cucumber toner is one of the natural greatest cooling and purifying plant with many healthy benefits. It tightens your skin, purifying lotion. So if we tell about how to use it, then just apply it with the cotton pad or washcloths, or gently wipe over the cleansed face and neck morning and evening. So let me open this. So I'm using it from 1 week, that's why it is half. So it comes like in a bottle. It is really cute bottle, and here also written the same things which were written on the pack. It is Biotech Advanced Ayurveda Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan water. So how I use it, actually what I do is I just take a little bit of toner into my palm, just rub it like this, and just tap it onto my whole face like this. Just tap it to your face. It will just tighten your pores, clear your pores from inside. I use it like this, and I'm using it from 1 month, and I think it is really amazing toner. It is working great for my skin. It has really tightened my pores. And if I talked about its smell, it's something like perfume type of a smell and little strong. First time when I've used it, it has just made my skin a little irritate, red, and a little bit darker. But as I'm using it from 1 week or 2 weeks, now I'm feeling some change in my skin. It has given me glow and tightened my pores. So now it's working normal for me. So I would definitely recommend this toner for you. And this is a natural cucumber toner. So that's it for today, guys. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe it.